In terms of the broodmares on the farm, it actually allows us to upload the data so that all of our clients can track each one of their horses within their portfolio without having to go into them individually or wait for the farm to give them the advice. It is like a self-managed super fund. It is all there for you. You can find all the information you want, and it's all live and up to date. As we vet the mare, they're ready to go. We can use Prism for all the updates, whether it be first foal videos, whether it be photos in the paddock, whether it be any videos out there. We can go into the paddock, or as the mares come in, do a video for them and send it straight to the client there and then. It's all in real time. Even with all the management tasks of each of the mares, we can actually log it straight onto the iPad and allocate it to a person to complete. Once that's completed, it goes into the system. It's there forever. Nothing goes on paper. Things don't get lost. They don't have to be filed. It's there forever. There's no double handling and therefore far less mistakes.